Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to install and find every media application on the PlayStation 5. So let's go ahead and jump the video right now. The PlayStation 5 has numerous media applications that you can go ahead and download so you can watch free TV or movies or even download Twitch or YouTube. Now, in the past, if you were on the PlayStation 4 and you went to the PlayStation Store, this is how you found the media applications before. But on here, however, you will notice there is no section specifically for media applications or applications in general, even if you go all the way to the right. Now, if you went to the search icon right here on the screen and just typed in something like YouTube or Twitch, you'll notice that it won't pop up whatsoever. If I press R2 and done, all I see is games. What I would have to do is go up and to the right and then go to the media section located here. Now let's go to the home screen of the PlayStation. Now if we go all the way to the top where it says games and then go over to media and select X on here, this is the new media section on the PlayStation 5. They have separate categories for games and media now, as opposed to having everything on like the same timeline. So I already have Netflix, Disney Plus, Spotify, Twitch, and YouTube downloaded. Now to find all the applications and every available application, if we go to the left to all apps right here, select X on this and then scroll down, we can see every application that's available on the PlayStation 5. So you have Apple TV, Spotify, Crunchyroll, Disney Plus, ESPN, Funimation, HBO, Netflix, MLB, Hulu, Peacock, which is great for free TV and movies. Pluto TV is great for live TV. Tubi TV is great for movies and TV shows. Then you have Prime Video right here. YouTube TV, YouTube, Twitch, then Vudu. Then there's 4 different applications so far for VR. So if you are looking for something to watch, check out Pluto TV and Peacock. Both those are very, very good. Now, if we go back to the media section and then go over to TV and video and scroll down here, we can see the featured content that's available for us to watch. So if we scroll down, this is what's trending on Netflix. Disney Plus is right here. Then May 4th, right now, there's a lot of Star Wars stuff like The Mandalorian, New Hope. And then here's Peacock. This is great for watching TV shows and movies. 2.5 Men, WrestleMania. Yellowstone is probably one of my favorite new TV series. Pluto TV has the James Bond channel, which shows James Bond movies all the time. Here's Tubi. If you want to watch Catching Fire, The Mockingjay, etc. Hulu, Prime Video, Apple TV, Crunchyroll, and Funimation. Now, not all these are completely free, like Apple TV, Prime Video, Hulu, Netflix, Disney Plus. Those are going to be paid services. You won't be able to just download those and start watching. So go ahead and go to the new media section on the PlayStation 5 and check out all the available apps. So if this video did indeed help you guys out, go ahead and leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos related to the PlayStation 5 coming up next on YourSixStudios.